Where do we think the future hunter is going to end up?
Oh man, I ask myself that all the time.
Okay, so where does the future hunter want to end up?
Sure.
Where do you want to end up?
Yeah. So kind of like what I mentioned with the product side of things, working with people with products. I think, I've had some really cool opportunities within the last 6 months. Really, I got to go to SEMA this past year, and which was so cool. A literal bucket list item of mine. I was like, maybe one day I'll get to go, and so I got the opportunity to go to SEMA to work with Coach Kimmy and to do work at their booth and do demos throughout the week. And so that I think I'm really looking forward to more relationships like that, getting to work with companies. And I don't know. I think I would like to see myself to fully step into the detailing industry. So get out of the marketing side of things for a title company and to step fully into the detail world.